How to reset an LG microwave oven. If the controls on your LG microwave oven are not responding or working properly, then try performing a hard reset. To do this, first locate the power plug to the unit. Note that your LG microwave oven should be plugged into a dedicated power outlet. Next, unplug the unit and wait 2 to 3 minutes. Then plug the unit back in. After the unit has powered up, reset the clock to the correct time. Now test the unit. If the problem persists, the display is not working, or some of the keys are unresponsive, then the unit will require a repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.